English is not just a language anymore. It gives opportunities, confidence, better communication, better jobs, better exposure. And the truth is, your future should not stop because of fear. Have you ever felt this? You understand English, you know some grammar, you even know many words, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You don't remember anything, and suddenly fear takes over. You start thinking, what if people laugh at me? What if I make mistakes? Maybe English is not for me, but let me tell you something very honestly. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is the way you were learn English. You know, in India, millions of students study English for years. We solve grammars, exercises, memorize rules, translate sentences, but nobody teaches us how to actually speak. That's why many students can write English, but can't speak confidently in real life. And slowly, fear becomes a habit. You stop trying, you avoid conversations, you stay silent, even what you know the answer. And the saddest part, you start believing my English can never improve. I'm gonna tell you truth about fluency, but fluency is not magic. Nobody is born fluent. You know also very well. Even people who speak amazing English today once struggle exactly like you. Fluency comes from one thing: daily speaking practice. About one thing, did you learn Hindi by studying grammar books? No, you learn by listening, copying, repeating, and speaking daily. English works the same way. I'll tell you a biggest mistake. Mistake one is waiting to become perfect. You wait for become. Many people think I will speak when my grammar becomes perfect, but perfection never comes first. For practice come first. So if you do practice, so you will become perfections. And mistake number two is translating every sentences. You think in Hindi, then translate into English. That process makes speaking slow and stressful. Instead, start using small English sentences directly. Mistake number third is fear of judgment. People are so scared of making mistakes. But remember this, and actually, you know, friend, they are also make a fun. So every fluent speaker once spoke broken English. I'll tell you practical solution. So step number first, what you have to do is start small. Don't try to speak big in English, and start with simple daily sentences like I am feeling tired, let's go outside, I'll do it later. Simple English builds confidence. Okay, if you speak simple, you will become confident. And step number two is speak alone daily. Yes, talk to yourself as like I'm here, I'm speaking in front of my phone. You can speak. Describe your day in English. At first it feels weird, but this is one of the fastest ways to improve English, improve fluency. And step number third is copy native speakers. Watch English videos and pause and repeat their sentences. This improve pronunciation, confidence, and speaking speed. Okay, let's talk about stop being ashamed. Means mistakes are proof that you are learning. If you are learning, then you will make a mistake. Silent people never improve. People who speak improve. Talk about emotional motivation. English is not just a language anymore. It gives opportunities, confidence, better communication, better jobs, better exposure. And the truth is, your future should not stop because of fear. My dear friend, if you really want to speak English, stop waiting for the perfect time and stop overthinking, stop being afraid, and start speaking today, even if it's broken, even if it's uncomfortable, because one day the same English that scares you today will become your biggest confidence. It will one day you will become very confident, as like I'm speaking, as like anyone speaks, is everyone learns first. Okay, and speak daily. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for videos.